Okay, Henry, go.
Hello everyone, my name is Henley. Today I will talk to you about making a bold feeder. Let's make a bold feeder. We just need a pan, bold seed, fruit and water. First, we add bold seed to the pan. Next, we add dried apple to the pan. Then we add green grapes to the pan. Next, we add red berries to the pan. Then we add orange slices to the pan. Next, we add cold water to the pan. Then we put the pan in the freezer. Later, we take the bold feeder out of the pan. Finally, we hang the bold feeder. Thank you for listening.
Okay, good, Henry. Good stuff.